I don't think so.
Being an Indian, I should support this. I mean, and Aryabhatta is from India.
क्या बोल रहा है मुझे?
पहले नहीं उड़ाए जाते, अब उड़ाए जा रहे हैं.
I have no idea.
Yes, of course, we believe that because there are some of the proofs that are available in Ramayana and Mahabharata Kal.
हाँ, डेफिनेटली आई बिलीव, क्योंकि जो जितने भी हमारी पुरानी बुक्स हैं, महाभारत है, रामायण है या और पुराण है, उनमें झूठ तो नहीं लिखा होगा, किसी ना किसी बेस पे वो बनी हुई है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट इज रिटन बाय गणेशा.
My mother told that Ravan used to had planes, and I have seen in some channels that he had 5 air bases in Sri Lanka.
I don't think so.
Okay, I can't say about 7,000 years ago, but recently I heard something about Nalanda University that contained texts. Those texts were stolen by Britishers before leaving India, you know that. And it was like Britishers, those technology, those things from which India could have developed earlier, that texts were in the Nalanda University's libraries, books and all, and the text, whatever it was, I heard it somewhere. So I could say a thousand years back, India could have flown the planes.
जो हम planes वगैरह और planes वगैरह जो आज चला रहे हैं, ये इंडिया की टेक्नोलॉजी है. इट्स नॉट फॉरेनर टेक्नोलॉजी, इट्स इंडियन टेक्नोलॉजी.
पहले जो है रथ वगैरह उड़ा करते थे, तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि पहले ये सारी चीज़ें थी इंडिया के अंदर थी, और जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज में जो प्लेन वगैरह जो भी बने हुए हैं वो इंडिया की वजह से बने हुए हैं. हमारे जो महापुरुष थे, जो बहुत पहले थे, ऋषि मुनि वगैरह थे, जो भी थे, उन सब ने सबसे पहले जो इन्वेंशन जो किया था भारत के अंदर ही किया था.
टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांसमेंट वाज कंपैरेटिवली मोर इन द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एज कंपेयर टू इंडिया.
और हमारा ये महाभारत है, जैसे गरुड़ पंछी है वो उड़ता था, तो वही एरोप्लेन था उस टाइम.
Because of casteism and religion, all our ancestors were busy in practicing and conquering and all, and wars and all. They didn't took their concentration to.
Okay, I don't believe in Indian mythology that much. Still, there are stories like there were planes and rath which actually fly. So maybe.
Yeah, I think they had, because we have been seeing, from the epic time that Ravan was having a plane and things like that.
I think there's a conspiracy theory behind it that Britishers came to India and they stole our designs.
और मैं 100% श्योर हूँ कि हमारी कॉपी की गई है.
Vimanas were there. We used to fly them. I believe in it.